Hello there and welcome to this Insider Butler Villa tour. Today we are standing in room category SV. This is the Sunset Oceanview Bluff Millionaire Butler Villa with a private pool sanctuary at the amazing Sandals Regency La Toc Resort. If we haven't met before, my name is Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. Thank you so much for stopping by this channel, Mr TraveLux. On this channel, we peel back the curtain on everything Sandals and Beaches, from room and suite tours all the way to insider tours of special things, special interviews, and even fact videos of everything you need to know. So make sure to have a look on the channel for endless more information. And we always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out. So if you want to make sure you have the best service, the best deal, and of course the best expertise, do reach out to my team and I, Reliant Destinations. We can be reached at hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. It's always our pleasure to help you plan your perfect trip to tropical paradise. But for now, let's go ahead and dive into this suite tour of the SV room category here at Sandals Regency La Toc. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been your behind the scenes look of the SV Suite here at the amazing Sandals Regency La Toc Resort. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do make sure to like this video and subscribe for endless more content about Sandals and Beaches. And of course, we welcome you to reach out with any questions. hello@reliantdestinations.com. We hope to see you around back on this channel soon, and perhaps even sometime in one of the amazing resorts. Take care.